Miracle. Miracle, what do you think about the birds? Hey, Miracle. Oh, he was just meowing. You start the camera. There's no meowing. Miracle. No, you don't want to talk to us anymore? It was too wet for us to go for a walk in the woods. We tried. We didn't get very far. And I thought that the clouds were going to break and we might have a sunset. It does not look like that. But anyway, I'm going to leave Miracle here. But I will keep my eye on him because that's my baby, y'all. That's my baby. He's watching the birds. They're over there feeding in front of him. Right there. Okay. It's very squishy. It rained and everything's very soggy. But look at how quickly the fire ants start making their beds again. So, I'm going to try to show something cheerful. Now, a lot of people don't like clouds. Now, I don't want to see them every day, but some people think if they ever see them, it's horrible, there's a cloud. But clouds can make beautiful formations. I'm watching Miracle. I've got my eye on him. He's being good. You know, until he sees another cat. But I'm going to show y'all something happy and cheerful. Because it's not all bad. Okay. Anyway. I wish this were smell-o-vision. All of these yellow flowers growing on these vines. Let's see if my camera is not great. I have a cheap phone. I know it. Oh, it's not picking it up. All of that. They're growing all over these trees out here. And there's this bright yellow flowers on these vines covering these trees. It's so bright and cheerful. Now, I wouldn't pick yellow for clothes to wear or for a car or for a lot of things, but it's very cheerful for flowers. And this, until like 2018, was a open field. And I decided, let's not bush hog it anymore. Let's let it grow up and be a forest. And I made the decision to create a new forest. A new wooded area. And look at how quickly it's grown. And just think, if we hadn't had a drought, how quickly it would have grown. There's that. Oh, they smell so sweet. And it's covering everything out here. Oh, look, there's a magnolia leaf. And we're nowhere near a magnolia tree. Well, there's a magnolia tree way over there. And a magnolia tree way over there. They're not here. But look at this trail. If you kind of see where this is all mashed down. Looks like cats or something's going through here. Now, a lot of my little pines did not make it. And that's just nature. Anyway. Some of the reason there's a cat food can. All the way out here. But anyway. If you leave something alone long enough, nature will take over. Sometimes things die. Sometimes they don't. But, it's very nice here right now. And that's all that's important, because right now is nice. And I hope you all have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, everyone.